All right, so since we're in the safe zone on the halfway line, I'm gonna go ahead and chuck this because I have 4 bags to do it. I can use my colored bag. Okay.
Wind kind of ate that.
Yeah, we're into the wind. Oh, get up. Oh,
no way! What a roll.
That was lucky, I'll say it.
Okay, I'm thinking same thing. Got 4 tries from the halfway line, so go for a big one. No! Dude, that
huge!
That could be bad.
All right, try to keep a steady lead. No. No!
Uh-oh, buddy.
Not good, not good.
A little easier. Yeah,
Oh.
There it is.
Yes. Whoa.
That's a tough shot right there.
Oh!
Oh! Ah. Oh, no. Oh,
yes.
no. Oh, no.
Huge.
I got to go for this one. That's a guaranteed finish for Matt. I don't even know if I can throw this thing that far in the wind. Go.
Short.
No! This is worst case scenario. I folded. Oh. Oh! What a shot! I mean, you got like a 5-footer. If you miss that, you're brutal, but I got a chance.
This is for the win. No rebuttals.
Oh! Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
Good game, well played.
Good game, man.
Good fight at the end.
Yeah. I gave myself a chance, but just wasn't enough.